This is Stephen Brown reporting for Manomet's shorebird program from the Arctic National Wildlife Refuge. After just a few days back in Massachusetts, after we finished our work at Teshekpuk Lake, we're now back in the Arctic National Wildlife Refuge, where we returned to do our second major project of this summer. In the past, we've measured the breeding density of shorebirds in the Arctic Refuge, and we're now out along the coastline where the shorebirds move to prepare for their southbound migration. We're setting up 3 different camps along the coastline so that we hope to be able to count shorebirds using all of the major river deltas along the coastline to describe the abundance of birds seasonally as they both prepare for and then head out on their southbound migration. So this year we'll have 3 camps where we see the birds starting to collect, feeding on their staging sites, preparing for their southbound trips, and then heading out for stopover sites like Massachusetts on the way to South America. This time of year, we see mostly juvenile shorebirds standing out along the coastline, looking ahead to their long migration south, which they'll do without the help of any adults showing them the way. So far, we've been capturing several different species. We've captured semi-palmated sandpipers, which we're testing to see what levels of mercury they're carrying. We've also captured several red-necked phalaropes and put radio transmitters on them, both to track their movements around the delta here, and then there's a remote possibility that they may be relocated by Robin Honeywell, who's working in the Bay of Fundy, a major stopover site for red-necked phalaropes. We'll also be trying to capture spectral sandpipers, dunlin, ruddy turnstones, and we'll be testing all of those to see whether they're carrying avian influenza. Each of the camps has a little boat. We're using a boat to get from our camp out to the barrier islands and around to the other side of the delta. Today we're going to head out in the white caps and try to get the boat around to the barrier islands. It's pretty tough and little boat, so I better get going. So we'll check back to update you on our progress. And until then, this is Stephen Brown reporting from the Arctic National Wildlife Refuge.